Welcome back to English Coffee Time. I'm Emma.
And I'm Neo. We missed you guys.
If you're new here, we post a brand new English conversation every single day to help you speak like a native. So please, please, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell right now. It really helps us, and you won't miss tomorrow's episode.
Seriously, come back every day. Even 30 minutes of real conversation like this is better than hours of textbooks.
Okay, let's jump in. Today's topic is daily life and experiences as an international student. Neo, you were an international student, right?
Yep. Came from Brazil to California when I was 19. 0 winter clothes, basic English, 2 huge suitcases. Classic story.
I had tons of international friends in college, so I know all the funny and hard moments. Let's start from the beginning. What was your very first day in the U.S. like?
Oh man, I remember every second. I landed in Chicago in January, -15 degrees. I was wearing shorts and flip-flops because I thought America equals always warm.
Flip-flops in the snow? That's the most international student thing ever.
Everyone at the airport was staring. I kept saying, sorry, excuse me, sorry, while sliding on ice with my bags. My first English sentence that day, can someone help me, please? I think I'm dying.
Haha, poor Neo. My friend May from China did the exact same thing in Boston. She cried in the taxi because she was so cold.
First week was pure chaos. Finding an apartment, opening a bank account, buying a phone plan. Everything needs your social security number, and you don't have one yet.
And the forms. So many forms. My friend Raj from India spent 3 hours at the bank just filling out papers. He kept asking me, what does void after 90 days mean? Let's talk about housing. Did you live in the dorms?
First year, yes. My roommate was from Saudi Arabia. Super nice guy, but he woke up at 4:45 a.m. for prayer. At first, I was annoyed. Then, I just started waking up early and studying. I actually got the best grades that semester.
Sometimes the hardest things help you the most. My Korean roommate cooked kimchi jjigae at 1 a.m. The whole hallway smelled like kimchi for days, but now I love it.
Grocery shopping? A mother adventure. First time I went to Walmart, I spent 2 hours just reading labels. Everything has high fructose corn syrup.
And the sizes. My Japanese friend Yuki bought 1 box of cereal. It was the family size, like for 10 people. She ate cereal for a month.
Useful phrase I learned very fast. Do you have this in a smaller size? And where's the international aisle?
Okay, classes. Huge culture shock, right?
100%. In Brazil, you sit quietly and take notes. In the U.S., if you don't talk, you get 0 participation points. My first discussion class, I said nothing. Professor emailed me, "Are you okay? You were very quiet today."
My Turkish friend Kaan practiced in the mirror every morning. I think, in my opinion, I'd like to add that.
Smart. Everyone, repeat after us. In my opinion, that's a good point, but can I just say something?
Office hours, did you go?
At first, no. In my country, we never bother professors. Then I found out American professors love it when you visit. I started bringing coffee and asking one question. My grades went from B to A.
Pro tip for all international students. Go to office hours, smile, ask one smart question. Works every time.
Part-time jobs. Did your friends work?
Almost everyone. My friend Sophia from Colombia worked at Starbucks. She learned English in 3 months, then in 2 years of classes.
Same. I was a barista too. Useful sentences I used 100 times a day. What can I get started for you? Would you like room for cream? Here you go. Have an awesome day.
Perfect daily English. Money. Was everything crazy expensive?
Insane. Rent in California was $900 just for one room. Laundry was $5 a week. I learned to cook rice and beans like a pro.
Budget phrase. I'm on a student budget. You can say that everywhere and people understand.
Homesickness, the real struggle.
My friend Ahmed from Egypt used to call his mom every night and cry. We started family call Sundays. Everyone sits in the common room with their phones, eating snacks together. Made it less lonely.
I missed my mom's food so much, I watched Brazilian cooking videos and cried. Then I learned to cook and invited friends over. Suddenly, I had 20 people eating feijoada in my tiny dorm.
Accent struggles, funny stories?
Oh, yes. I used to say shit instead of sheet when asking for paper. My professor's face, never again.
My French friend Luke said I am exciting instead of I am excited for months. We all copied him because it sounded cute.
Dating in America, total confusion.
My Italian friend Marco thought, let's hang out sometime, meant a date. He waited 2 months for a second date that never happened.
American dating phrases you need to know. We're just talking. It's casual. I'm seeing someone means they have a boyfriend or girlfriend.
And the worst, I'm not looking for anything serious right now. Translation, it's never happening. Healthcare, the scariest part.
One time I had a fever and went to the campus clinic. The bill was $250 just to say drink water and rest.
International students, please buy the school insurance.
Let's do a longer rapid fire round. First English word you learned on day 1.
Bathroom, priority number 1.
Sale, because Target.
Favorite cheap American food? $5 hot and ready pizza from Little Caesars.
Chipotle burrito bowl. Last 2 meals.
Biggest culture shock?
How friendly strangers are. How are you from everyone?
Tipping 20% everywhere. Best memory as with international students?
Friendsgiving. 40 people, food from 15 countries.
Random Tuesday nights cooking together until 3 a.m. One piece of advice for new international students.
Talk to everyone. Say yes to everything the first month.
Make mistakes. Your English gets better every time you mess up. Okay, let's repeat today's most useful phrases one more time. Say them out loud. I'm in the same boat. In my opinion, or that's a good point, but I am on a student budget. Do you have this in a smaller size? Culture shock or homesick? What can I get started for you? We're just hanging out. Food brings people together.
Homework. Comment below. Where are you studying right now? What's one thing you love and one thing you miss? We read and reply to every single comment.
Yes, we love hearing your stories. It makes our day.
So that was our super long chat about life as an international student. Hope some stories made you laugh or feel less alone.
If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and most importantly, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a day.
Tomorrow we're talking about travel stories and dream destinations. More fun, more phrases.
See you tomorrow, same time. Don't forget to come back.
Bye, everyone. Take care and keep practicing.